Hello guys, how are you doing? This Lobus Tech here with another quick tutorial. To begin this tutorial I say welcome to anyone new to my channel. Please do well to subscribe and also don't forget to smash that like button below. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix driver problems on Windows 10 or any Windows computer. Many at times you might have a computer with sound problems, graphics problems or keyboard and mouse driver problem. I'm glad to tell you that this tutorial will solve that problem. To begin, move your mouse cursor and click on the Start button. After that, type in this PC into your search tab. If you are using Windows 10, type in My Computer. If you are using an older version of Windows, go ahead and select the best match from your search to open the page. Then go ahead and right-click on any blank space on that window. Go ahead and select Properties and wait for a new window to open. In this window, select Device Manager on your upper left side of your screen and then wait for another window to open. On this window you will find all devices or accessories associated or connected with this computer. Go ahead and select the device you would like to fix the driver problem. In my case, I will go ahead and select the display or monitor, even though there is no problem with my display. So I will go ahead and select that and right-click on it. Go ahead and select Update Driver. Go ahead and select Browse My Computer for drivers if you have the drivers on your computer which you can select from. If not, then search automatically for drivers, but make sure your computer is connected to internet, else this won't work. After selecting Search automatically for drivers, wait for drivers to download and install. Then go ahead and close all pages and restart your computer to enable it work perfectly.